Yeah, we need to remove this little piece first. Yeah, yes, by this way. Then you can pull this guy from in this direction. Yeah, yes, and it's come out. You can see from here, come out. And because this car got the heated armrest, so you need to disconnect this connector. Yeah. Yes. Okay, you can see from here. Yeah, this one. You just pull here, then the lock will be released. Then you pull. Okay. Yeah. You can see the connector over there. Yes. And you can see screws T30, right? T30. One here, one there. Yeah, two pieces. Any others? 还有别的吗?
No.
Yeah, only these two. Then you can pull the door panel up. And be careful about the rear door. Got these blinds. Yeah, the front door similar. Yeah, remove the headrest. Remove two screws. 前面有多几个螺丝吗? Yeah, also two screws in the similar locations. Yeah. Then we pull this door panel up. Yeah. Little by little. Yeah. In the same way like the front door. Yeah. Disconnect a few connectors behind. Yeah. One by one. Yeah, the front door panel also come out. Yeah. The door. This is the door control unit. So some unit controls the lights, like the switches. So all come out, even the heater. And there's a inner latch switch to lock on, open and close the door. Yeah. So the whole door panel is come out. Yeah, this way. So this is a door control unit. We will release a few connectors. Come with a door cut. Okay. Then we will remove all the screws around this guy. Surely we need to release this for the rear door only. Release these blinds. Then you can access a few screws up underneath here, 2 or 3. Yeah, then you remove all the screws, then you can take out the panel. The front door is similar. When we reach this step, we need to wind down the window and the blinds. Okay, we need to wind down the blinds for the rear door, and the front window, and the rear window. Yeah, the rear window will reach a very certain place. You can see from this one.
Okay.
Yeah, then we can reach something to release the window. This one. Yeah. Okay, you press, then you can pull up the window, right?
Yes.
You press. Yeah. Press, then this window can be pulled up. Can be pulled up by my hand. Okay, then we will keep holding it. Then use the Scotch tape to fasten it. 可以了，我弄好了，不会掉了。你手松好了，去拿那个胶布。对，先帮我来。Yeah. So we will use the Scotch tape. Yeah. Yeah. Don't use those Scotch tape. Will have the residue. This one very clean one. After you remove it, you cannot see any residue. Yeah. Okay. We usually put 3 but actually 1 or 2 is enough. but in case.
Illuminated.
Yeah. The front window same. You need to find this very particular position. Then you can push. There's a locker. Okay, from here you can see this little guy. If you see, then you push upward, push a little up, then you can release this guy. Later, after we mount, if we are mounting back everything, you need to still find this position. Then let the window goes down. Then sit inside. You can see the window sit inside. Then it's fastened again. Yeah. Now we are release the blinds. Yeah, release the blind screw. The reason is we need to access the door inner panel. This piece. Sorry, this one no need. This one is for the lock. Later also need to release for this whole piece. Okay, this plastic piece. Yeah, one over here, right? This one need or not?
Need.
And this one, and this one,
3, 4,
and a 4, 5 total 5 pieces. Okay. T20 or T30?
4, 320.
Yeah, this one is T20. Yeah, you just prepare some torque screwdrivers. Yeah, then we will release a bit. Yes. See, it come out a bit. Here, good.还有东西卡住吗？ Yeah, a few catches over here. Yeah. So once it's released, no need to take it out. Yeah, we already fastened here. This one is whole piece. So we can access a few screws up here, like this piece and this piece. Okay, this piece and that piece. Any others up? Yeah, that inside go one, another one, then in the corner. So total like 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces are blocked by these things. If we don't release it, you cannot access these screws. So we cannot take out this one out. If we take this one out, then we can access the door lock and the door handle. Door lock no need to touch. We need to remove the door handle. Yeah. Yeah, this inner one we have to use this like L-shaped screwdriver or ratchet screwdriver, then you can access it. Otherwise, you have to remove the whole thing. The mounting back will be troublesome. Yeah, after remove all the screws, this panel can be taken out. But you must be very careful. You see the door lock also released. Yeah. After we take out this one, we need to do one thing very special. That means we need to lock the door. So to let this door handle, 这边夹锁啊 Yeah. Yeah, we need to let this guy locked. Yeah. Otherwise, that piece cannot be taken out. So now we can take after remove 3 big nuts, then we can take it out. So there's one thing we must be very careful about this latch holder. Yeah. See is on there. This guy. Yeah, this pink color. Need to release gently. Otherwise, if the two hook, yeah, broken, then this whole piece is broken. Cannot repair. Later I will show you the Vero one. Yeah. So one is on the bottom, the other one is over here. Over here. You remove this sticker, you will see a hole. Then you can access the upper corner screw. Okay, now the passenger side we are releasing. The rear door, sorry. This piece is for the blinds. Okay. Yeah, take the whole thing out. Okay. You see? Yeah, the door is the whole assembly is come out. Okay. Later we'll replace this guy. For the rear side, remove this sticker. There's a hole there, so we can access the bottom screw to release it. Yeah, T32. This is a low spare one. Okay. Then we will give him the front right door. This is the front right. FR. Okay, for the front right doors. Actually, the difference is here. This one no lights, so there's a dummy connector over here, which is not working. See, another one is over here. So remove this guy to access the screw. Two. This door handle come out again. Yeah. Now I will show you detail about how to handle this guy later. Yeah, this connector come out first. Yeah. You can see these two catches are blocked. This one goes out. Hmm?
还没有出来。我这个端牛了，没有端牛了，差不多。
Push a bit in, push a bit out. Yeah, then come out. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, this one remove. Then we will put in the new one over here. Yeah, this is the new one. You can see from here, rear right. Okay.
是吗？很多是。
No. No. No lights.
No light.
ignition on 一下。on 了吗？还是没有灯开？
你这有吗？
他的也没有。Let me take a look。这边也不亮。Yeah, now the rear right. Yeah, the door light is on. Yeah, this side the light's also on. Right, lock it. Yeah, it's turned off. This one turn off. Yes, good. So we can mount back. Thank you. Yeah, we fasten the lock, the panel. Later this blinds. Yeah, front same. One by one. Then the job will be done after some coating.